Today we have this question on the board to solve. The question says that adding 42 to a given positive number give the same results as squaring the number, and they want us to find the number. So first of all, adding 42 to a given positive number, we don't know that number. So what you're going to write is let's probably x, or that you are using a variable to represent that number. So we are using what? X. Let x to be equal to that what? Positive number. All right. So adding 42, that will become x plus 42, or 42 plus x. We are saying that gives the same results as squaring the number. So you have what? X squared. Now with this one, they want you to find the value for the number. So what you can do is to, you are now having something like a quadratic equation. They are in the form ax squared plus bx plus c equal to 0. So what you're going to do is to move this one to this side. I prefer to always let the quadratic equation, that is the square side, to be positive. All right, so you can move it to this side, or you can move this one. Either way, you will get it. So you have x squared minus x minus 42. So ideally, because you moved it to this side, it should be equal to 0 here, but you can also bring it here. Now when you have it this way, you have this side to be a, this side to be c. The coefficient of the x squared, which is the a, will multiply this one, giving you what? AC. So here is 1 times this one will give you what? 42. That is negative 42. Then you find factors of 42, which is 142. Then you have 2 and 21. You can also have 3 together with another number. I think probably so 36. You have 12, you have 13, so maybe 14, right? Then you move on to 3, so that we just did 3. Then you move on to 4, no, 4 will not, so 5, so you have 6 and 7. Out of these factors, you choose 2 of the factors that when you multiply, you get this one, your 42, negative 42, but when you add or subtract, it will give you this one, so you go in for this. So that will give you, that is next 7 times 6, that will give you next 42. Next 7 plus 6, that will give you that is negative 1. So we are going to replace it with this, which is x squared minus 7x plus 6x minus 42 equal to 0. Put this one in bracket, last one also in bracket. So in the factor, you have x outside, x minus 7 this way. Then here too you have x minus 7. So here we plus 6. Everything equal to 0. Sorry. So you have x plus 6, x minus 7 equal to 0. Then you have x plus 6 equal to 0. This one moves, you have x equal to next 6. X minus 7 equal to 0. This one moves, you have x equal to positive 7.